just didn't add up. Well, dear viewer, Happy New Year, for it is indeed the 1st of January in 2018. I hope you and yours had a wonderful Christmas and New Year, and you're all safe and well and all good. Where do we find ourselves here? We find ourselves mucking about in the thing that I've been mucking about with over Christmas. I decided we should buy a HAP, High Altitude Persistent Platform, for AirAutonomous, the sort of virtual UAS test site, if you will. And so I stumbled across a second-hand Solar Impulse 2, and now I'm having a devil of a job, or was, tuning the thing. The airfield we're at here is Uppington. It's got a 4.9 kilometre long runway, one of the largest in the world, and I was struggling to get airborne on that even, and that's caused alarm bells to go. Learned a lot about the aeroplane, great deal of respect for the guys. It had a bank limit of 10 degrees, and the pilots even wore armbands that vibrated and woke them up should the stability augmentation system take it beyond 5 degrees for whatever reason. So I struggled. The reason I know those facts is I started watching videos about the thing to find out, and I quickly saw that it got airborne a lot quicker than 4.9 kilometres. In fact, I don't think it's any more than 200 metres, really. So plainly, something was very wrong. I was doing something wrong, and just foolishly, I wasted 2 days before looking at the videos. I should have done that first. So looked at the videos, thought, oh, that's not right. Looked at the aircraft setup file. The thing was £700 too heavy, and it was 30 horsepower too light on power, based on the Wikipedia numbers. Got it sort of working there without tuning it again. We find ourselves here over Katsi Dam, almost in the centre of Lesotho, at 65,000 feet on our way to 70k. Why we're there? Well, with communication relay. That's AT&T's Cell-on Wings cow, and that flies at 200 feet, and they've just deployed that to Puerto Rico. This is the area where we over Katsi Dam that the AT&T cow would light up or see and provide LTE-2. Now there we are. Can you see the seaside? There's a clue. Here we are up at 65,000 feet, same place, and this is the footprint. So this is the reason HAPs are quite a cool idea, until Google Loon, which was my first choice, comes and joins in. Obviously the little bits that are missing are the bits I can't see, and how we'd mitigate that would be having multiple aircraft. Don't forget, watch us every Tuesday for our nonsense chat at 2100 GMT. Everybody had a lovely New Year's Day, and maybe see you all tomorrow.